Yes, hands have been washed, Brett, I promise. Sometimes when you gotta go, you know? Anyways, this is 2019 Panini Prizm Football 6-box half case break.
I'm married to you.
You are. And this is break number 9. Break number 9. This is a fresh case of Prizm Football. So we will find out what we get out of this case. Oh crap, it's upside down. No, now it's, wait, what? Oh, just that one's upside down. Alright, we'll leave it this way. Alright, do you guys want the left, the right, the top, or the bottom? Last break I hit a Ridley patch auto and a David Montgomery redemption auto, but that was in a different case, so we'll see what I can do in this one. I hit a lot of nice stuff. Top right, bottom left. Okay, we can do that. Top right. Maybe. Well, let me get the damn boxes out. Okay, and bottom left. Maybe. Golly. Come on, last box. Alright. So that'll leave those 6. Woo! Oakley dokley. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, Mr. Let's make sure the camera's right. That about right? That's about right. Mark Andrews kicking it out. Silver Prizm, we got another rookie. This is Benny Snell Jr. rookie Silver Prizm. Red Shimmer is 83 out of 149 Detroit Lions. That is Ty Johnson. Brilliance is George Kittle. Blue Atomic Le'Veon Bell, 70 of 99 for the New York Jets. Oh, hit. Silver Prizm rookie auto, Baltimore Ravens. This is Jalen Ferguson. I'll show the codes. I don't care. If you want to grab them, freeze frame it later on, go for it. I don't mail them out, but I'll make sure that all the codes are shown in case you want to grab them up. Color Burst, 55 out of 175. Clinton Portis. Tony Pollard. There's one. Color burst Keanu Neal, that is 115 of 175, going to the Atlanta Falcons. You want to know. You never know. Someone out there can use those codes. Someone that's got a child between, what is it, 8 and 12, somewhere like that. Drew Brees Fireworks. Blue Wave is 106 of 199 for the Steelers. Prizm Vance McDonald. I remember right, it's between the ages of 8 and 12, but I could be wrong. Legendary Peyton Manning Blue Wave Vernon Hargreaves 163 out of 199 for the Tampa Bay Bucks. Riley Ridley rookie. So I know we're looking for Bears. And what else are we looking for? Just Bears? Orange Prizm Tyler Eifert 97 of 249 Cincinnati Bengals. Boom. Silver Prizm rookie auto for the Giants, Darius Slayton, Giants. Aussie board, David Montgomery. It's probably the rookie auto we're looking for. He seems to be redemption from what I've run across. Purple Square Prizm coming up. Emerging Kenny Galladay, Travis Homer rookie, 36 out of 49, Seattle Seahawks. Purple Squares. Danny Jones. Danny Dimes. Alright, we need a Danny Dimes. I have hit one. I don't know if Andrew's hit any. Hakeem Butler, 107 out of 249, orange Prizm for the Arizona Cardinals. More codes. Oh, I thought that was going to be Haskins, man. Terry McLaurin, Ruby Wave, or Ruby Shimmer. 33 of 149 for the Washington Redskins, rookie auto. Not terrible. There's Stidham. Patriots future starting quarterback, Jared Stidham. Maybe. Someone else has to start after this here. Fireworks, Thomas Brady, Nasir Adderley, 30 of 249, orange Prizm for the Chargers. Mecole Hardman, Dwayne Haskins. Silver Prizm auto, Cardinals. Wrong Cardinal, but it is a Cardinal rookie auto of Zach Allen, sensational man of the hour. Zachary Allen. We were looking for a Kyler. Silver Prizm Greg Zuerlein for the LA Rams. Silver Prizm. Jerry Rice, 75 of 75 for the Niners. Green Scope Prizm. Jerry Rice. Red Shimmer, George Kittle, 49ers, 145 out of 149. Darius Slayton. Oh, wait, sorry. In case you wanted it. Mark Andrews, 10 of 49, Purple Squares Prism for the Baltimore Ravens, and Keel Harry. Emergent Juju, Red Shimmer Emmanuel Sanders, 61 of 149, Denver Broncos, Renfro and Greedy. Baker Mayfield, Blue Wave, Refractor rookie is Trace McSorley, 22 of 199. Baltimore Ravens. Kicker Love. Orange Prism, Denver Broncos, Phillip Lindsay, 90 of 249. Justice Hill, Taylor Rapp, and there's a code. So many codes. Color Burst, Refract, Mark Ingram II, 122 of 175, Baltimore Ravens. And there's a code. Crack the code. Red Shimmer, Rookie Auto, Oakland Raiders, Clellan Ferrell. The Raiders. 117 of 149. AJ Brown. I have not hit his autograph yet. Unstoppable. Chris Jones. Peyton Manning, Orange Prism, 114 of 249. There's the auto we were looking for now. And there's a code. Red Wave for the Buffalo Bills, Devin Singletary. For the Buffalo Bills, Red Shimmery, 35 of 149. Not bad. DK. Kyler, rookie. Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills. Emergent Darius Leonard, Darius Slayton, Blue Wave, 199 out of 199 for the New York Giants. Kid Reporter. Silver Prism is Darius Slay. He's on the Detroit Lions. Orange is 16 out of 249 for the Rams. That is Tyler Higbee. I didn't even know he was still in the league, to be honest with you. Benny Snell and Zachary Allen. Silver Prism, Rookie Auto, Arizona Cardinals, Caleb Wilson. Caleb Wilson. Smith Jr., Blue Atomic 69 of 99 for the Minnesota Vikings. Paris Campbell, Will Greer. Unstoppable, Danielle Hunter, and a color burst 153 out of 175 of Kenny going on holiday for the Detroit Lions. Blue Wave, Le'Veon Bell, 186 of 199 for the New York Jets. Another Devin Singletary rookie. Blue Atomic rookie autograph, Kyler Murray for the Arizona Cardinals. What a freaking boomer. Is that a lower number than 99? Nope, still 77 of 99. That's going to get one touched. Hold on, let's get through this pack. That's my first Kyler. Is that you, Trey? I don't know who that is, but if that's Trey, congrats to you. That is a nice, beautiful, beautiful hit. And you got my first Prizm Kyler Murray. Hopefully many more to come. Is that... Oh, man, I thought it was a freaking super fractor. Juju Smith-Schuster. 3 of 5 gold vinyl emergent Steelers. That I will one touch as well. Steve Largent is Blue Atomic 23 of 99 Seahawks. Man, showing these codes. We're getting some good juju out there. Literally good juju. Orange Prizm 52 of 249. That is for the Texans of DeAndre Hopkins. There's J.J. Arcega. Firework, Todd Gurley, red shimmery, 117 of 149, Gary Jennings Jr. for the Seattle Seahawks rookie, Ryan Finley, T.J. Hawkinson. Color burst, Robbie Anderson, 165 of 175 for the Jets. There's a Minshew rookie and a code. I think this has, yep, purple squares, rookie auto, Johnny Ursua for the Seahawks. Purple squares. 37 out of 49, Seattle. Terry Godwin's on the Carolina Panthers. I did not know that. Now I do. The more you know. Orange, Pat Mahomes, 11 of 249 going out to the Chieftains. Hunter Renfro code. Uh-oh. That looks like points. That is points. 250 Panini Rewards points. We'll random those at the end of the break. In Keel with Ty Johnson. Usually 2 per case from what I've seen on points. Saquon and Mohamed Sanu, 104, 199 Blue Wave. Blue Wave. Silver Prism of Will Fuller V for the Houston Texans. AJ Green is 248 of 249 Orange Prism. Darius Slayton rookie. Atomic Jerome Bettis Blue Atomic 70 of 99 Steelers. Code. Fireworks, Alvin Kamara, Adrian Peterson, 111 of 175, Washington Redskins. Blue Wave, Troy Brown, 76 out of 199 for the New England Patriots. DK and a Kyler, and there is a code. Hyped up Aaron Rodgers, Darius Geis, 68 of 149 Redskins, Red Shimmery, Josh Jacobs, code. Fireworks, Von Miller, Red Wave, 48 of 149 Joey Bosa, Chargers. Packers, rookie, Rashawn Gary, sensational signature autograph. That is 23 out of 49 for the Green Bay Packers. Danny Dimes, we need your autograph. We need a David Montgomery and a Daniel Jones autograph. It's not asking for much, is it? Color Burst, Paris Campbell, 38 of 175 Indianapolis Colts. AJ Brown, code. Silver Prism rookie auto quarterback, Drew Lock. Denver Broncos. Not bad at all. I will one touch Drew. Drew Lock. There's more quarterback I love, but it's not the Giants quarterback. Blue Wave, Delaney Walker, 169 out of 199 for the Tennessee Titans. Code. Silver Prism, rookie auto, Cincinnati Bengals, Travion Williams. Travion Williams, Bengals rookie auto. Marquise Brown. Blue Wave, N'Keal Harry, 26 of 199 for the New England Patriots. Rookie, Dwayne Haskins. And code. Unstoppable, Chris Jones. Orange Prism of Sam Darnold, 68 of 249. Slayton and DeAndre. Code. Silver Prism, Damian Harris autograph for the New England Patriots. Sensational Signatures rookie autograph. N'Keal Harry. Fireworks McCaffrey, Drew Bledsoe, Patriots 247 of 249, Orange Prism, Hunter Renfrow, code. Oh. We have a chance of that David Montgomery. Come on. It's rookie autograph Prism camouflage. So that's out of 25. Card number 365, Noah Fant for the Broncos. Noah Fant for the Broncos. I think it's 364 for David. I don't remember. That's out of 25. Broncos having a break, man. Red Shimmer Cooper Cup, 99 of 149 for the Rams. Let's need to go ahead and start Mr. Drew Lock. Is he even able to start? I don't know. I know he got hurt at some point. Chris Carson, color bursting Tyrell Williams, 19 of 175. Oakland Raiders, A.J. Brown, Danny Dimes. Dawson Knox, rookie silver prism for the Buffalo Bills. 327. Okay, I know he was right around there. 55 out of 75. Green scope prism. Kenyon Drake. He's now on the Cardinals, but he's Dolphins there. This looks gold. Miami Dolphins gold prism of Kenny Stills. 5 of 10 gold prism. DK Metcalf, probably not a gold prism. I don't know how's Kenny Stills doing. Is he doing good? Is he doing big things? Hyped up Baker Mayfield. Ryan Kerrigan, 84 of 99 for the Redskins, and another Kyler Murray rookie. Come on, last box. Either or. Daniel Jones, Dave Montgomery. I will take one of the two. Nick Foles, Jacksonville Jaguars, 140 of 175. Oh, Kid Reporter code. We lost Marlon Mack. Phillip Lindsay, Brilliance. Blue Wave, Royce Freeman, 174, 199. Denver Broncos again. Bryce Love. Autograph. Patch autograph. Nice patch autograph. DK Metcalf, Seattle Seahawks. Patch auto 15 of 60. One off the number. I will one touch DK because he is a stud. He be a stud. Best receiver in the draft, just saying. And he went super late. Allen Robinson. Fireworks, Le'Veon Bell, Harrison Smith for the Vikings, 13 out of 49 purple squares. Autograph. Silver Prism. Seattle Seahawks. Travis Homer. Silver Prism rookie auto. Travis Homer. Seattle Seahawks. Seahawks said, screw David Montgomery and Daniel Jones. I'll take that whole last box. Thank you very much. Joe Montana, 63 of 249, going out to them 49ers. Tony Pollard, Kid Reporter. Taylor Rapp, Silver Prism, rookie autograph for the LA Rams. That's three autos already, isn't it? Can we get 4 autos? I doubt it. It's Panini. It'd be fantastic, but don't have a lot of hope and faith in that. Green Scope, Nick Vanette, 51 of 75. Guess who? Seattle Seahawks. They really did take this final box and just dominating it. J.J. Watt's hyped up. Orange Prism, 73 of 249. That is Ted Ginn Jr., Gary Jennings, and a code. Oh, man. I thought it was because it was like not moving. But it's an unstoppable Aaron Donald and Clay Matthews red shimmer, 62 of 149 for the Rams. Blue Wave, 22 of 199 for the Buffalo Bills. Lorenzo Alexander and code. Nope, they weren't super sweet, generous Panini who gives us extra auto. Seattle Seahawks Silver Prism of Bobby Wagner. Blue Atomic Jonathan Abrams 73/99 for the Oakland Raiders rookie. And there is a David Montgomery, but man. Kyler Murray, DK Metcalf being the and Drew Lock, my bad. Drew Lock, and then that gold vinyl Juju Smith-Schuster that fooled us because I always think those are super fractors. Yeah, they're not. They're gold vinyls. We do have 250 Panini Rewards points. We will random to every team in the break. So let's go ahead and do that now. It's going to be a lucky number 7 random, as always. I really hope we can hit my Danny boy in the second half. That would be a nice case. All right. 7 times. We have Arizona on top down to the Redskins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cincinnati Bengals. 7 times, timestamp. Bengals on the top. Seahawks tried. They didn't quite get there. Bengals are number 1. So Bengals get 250 Panini Rewards points to be used at their choosing. Again, more Prizm tomorrow night, guys. Hopefully I can pull Danny Boy. Danny Boy. Or David Montgomery. That wraps it up for tonight. I have to upload a bunch of these onto the YouTube page, and then I gotta one-touch some stuff and get all this put away and sorted and etc. etc. Anyways, guys, I hope to see y'all tomorrow night. God bless y'all and have a lovely rest of your evening. And remember, we do fall back on Saturday into Sunday night. So we will have that fall back hour coming up this weekend, where we get an extra hour of sleep in the proper time zones, I guess. Some might not, but anyways, God bless, guys. Have a good night.